Hello everyone! Today I will unbox the new Oracle deck from the Thai creator Pink Lady Tarot. Just came out this year. Secret messages. The point of this deck is about even though we still love each other and stay together, but sometimes we have something hiding inside our mind, and then we just find out what is it to communicate and understand each other. Everything made by hand, and creator very pay attention to every single detail, even about the box, and also she signed the card by herself. So this deck normally it takes time to make it. When the creator open for the pre-booking, we normally wait about more than 1 month, and then when you receive it, it's a special gift. This oracle card is bilingual, so you can read in English and Thai as well. It's the same meaning with the translation. Easy to use and shuffle with the very good quality of the paper. If the flip through is too quick, I recommend you to pause on each card to take a look. The whole package came by the pink box, and you can tell it's coming from her, Pink Lady Tarot. And also, she made a special message in this envelope and sealed by her hand as well. You got a choice of 4 topics that you want to know from 6, and then you will get this card for the answer. More than that, you can get the random envelope that you can ask the personal question and get the answer. Even though the answer is not what you expect, you have a free will and make a wish, write it down on the card and then put it back in the envelope. And last but not least, you will get the satin bag to keep the cards inside and carry around. Each person will get a surprise gift from the creator too. And that is very surprise. Bye!